Oh, so much energy that needs to be cleared out with this crystal. Shout outs to Masaki for hooking me up with this cool crystal. Okay, guys, get this. So, as you've been knowing, if you following me on Instagram, that we've been tinkering around with the idea of bringing Shrimp Daddy to Hawaii. Now, I was gonna save this footage up and do this like big reveal and be like, guys, it's ready. We're gonna launch now. Whatever. But the thing is, I think you guys already saw us launch Shrimp Daddy in LA. And I just want to bring you through the whole journey, like from the beginning. And so I'm too excited to hold this back. We are testing the recipe to see if we can duplicate this same process elsewhere in Hawaii. Now, no promises yet, okay? But this is just the beginning of us walking through this whole thing together. So let's go. Secret footage, not so secret anymore. I'm gonna show you right now. My chakras gotta clear up.
Serious conversations are happening about shrimp right now.
It's a secret meeting we're having. So we are gonna be experimenting with some shrimp. And some of you who've been following for a very long time, you know I like to do something called Shrimp Daddy. It is delicious, it is scrumptious, and I can't wait to bring it here to Hawaii. And we're practicing, we're workshopping, we're seeing if this can actually happen. Doesn't it feel like we're like in Asia and they're just the food vendor? Yeah, we need cigarettes.
I know.
We need cigarettes.
This is where Shrimp Daddy Hawaii started.
Oh, that looks correct.
Correct.
This looks exactly like what it used to. But I would say that one thing that is different is it used to be a deep red that covered everything. So I don't know. This is not red.
It's a burnt orange.
That's good. But it's a little on the sweeter side. Yeah. It's supposed to be a little saltier than this. It's good though, but it's on the lighter side. We're almost there.
Take one. Complete. Needs more salt. Good to know.
Curious what it tastes like? You can order this right now at eatshrimpdaddy.com and you can try it out for yourself. This one's the spicy one. Can you see the secret ingredient? It's kind of chili flaky. I get what you're saying. Balances that sweetness. That's good.
Going into round 3.
It's good, yeah. On the sweeter end.
Sweeter again? Sweeter than the first one? Successful day, successful day.
Alright.
We have a to-do list.
Right, so Hannah's amazing at finding really cool stuff. And the thing is, both of us don't like brand new like styles because everything is this like gray floor. That's like the style right now, gray, everything. And it's all the same stuff. You don't want things to look like this, okay? We want things to look a little bit have a lot of character.
More eclectic.
But the problem with that is you either have to pay thousands of dollars or we have to do a lot of like digging. And we don't have time for that. But the other day when I was picking up some poke, Hannah found something really cool. So we're just gonna go pick it up.
Well, we're gonna see if it's there. Then we're gonna measure it.
And then we're gonna pick it up.
Why do I always have to be the sensible one? And you get to be the, oh, let's just go pick it up. And I have to be the, no, we have to measure it. We have to check it. We have to see if it's still there. It doesn't actually match any of our furniture.
We'll make it work. Let's go. Come over here. Look at this. We have to measure to make sure the couch fits 5 foot exactly.
I don't think it's gonna fit.
What do you guys think? Good taste or bad taste?
They're both gonna say it looks like a grandma couch, but they have to see the vision. They haven't seen my Pinterest board.
Okay, it has to be everything put together.
Yeah. And no, it doesn't match the current furniture, but one day. I mean,
We'll make it work.
you do what you gotta do, baby. Man will always find a way to make it work. Always.
What do you guys think? We were thinking about putting this elsewhere, but right now, this is kind of like the best spot until we get a dining table. Oh, by the way, shout outs to Hannah. She got this mirror up here. You know, if you put a mirror inside of the whole house, it feels bigger because it's like a portal to the other side.
I think the sofa works in my mind because I'm picturing us one day living in the house from Practical Magic. Do you know that movie?
No.
I'm going to insert a picture here of the house from Practical Magic, and that's what I'm envisioning of our future life. And that's where the sofa works. So we just have to get it, and then one day when we've got the right house, it'll be perfect. We'll have like a little conservatory, you know?
Yeah.
He has no idea what the fuck I'm talking about. But it will make sense one day in the future. We're also going to Barton Gio's for dinner tonight, and Jay brought like enough cigars for everyone. Like, who's this for?
I used to have a whole set, everything, and then I threw it away because I quit smoking like 2019. But David's been buying me some, Jeremy's been buying me some, and we just wanted to do some man stuff. So we're gonna get together and puff and talk about life.
And we're going snowboarding.
Yes.
It's gonna be a fun weekend. So we'll
I
probably.
got my boots, Burton.
So we've been trying to upload twice a week, but because we got people coming, number one, and then also snowboarding and everything else, we're probably just gonna do Monday upload.
Yeah, and there might be more. We'll see. But stay tuned because it's gonna be a crazy adventure within the next couple of days.
Oh yeah, you've got some wild shit happening. So yeah, if we're a little slow on the videos, that's why. We're not dropping off again.
Please give us some patience. It's a crazy life we live in.
It won't be another 6 months, but we might have to. Yeah, we'll see.
Be our assistant?